Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus series problems often look tricky, but we can solve this quickly by testing the limit of the sequence terms to identify the correct mathematical statement. When the limit of a sequence is 0, the series might converge or diverge. Think of the harmonic series versus a convergent p-series. Thus, options A and B are not true. If the limit is 1/2, the terms do not approach 0. By the divergence test, if the limit is not 0, the series must diverge. This makes option D correct. Since the limit is not 0, the series fails the nth term test for convergence. Therefore, the series must diverge, confirming option D as the only logically sound final choice. Got it. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid assuming convergence without testing. Always apply the divergence test and check the limit.